So hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I just want to quickly say, any of you who are not subscribed, you need to be subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, it's completely free of charge and it really helps the channel out. Right, so we've gone and taken the trailer back and the other Corsa is up there. It's not starting at the minute. It's done the same thing again that it did at Copart, ain't it?
Yeah, it's not running.
But we've chucked the battery pack on it. So that might be a problem for another video because we'll sort out the repair because there's a lot more that he's doing on that and hopefully this one, but we're going to see whether we can repair this in one video. So I'm going to jack that wheel up and see what we can see. But you're
going to jack the car up, you mean?
We'll jack the wheel up, jack the car up.
Jack the wheel up, you're going to, right? Good, jack the car up.
Jack the wheel up, jack the car up, whatever, and we'll see what the damage is behind it. So we'll jack the car up, not the wheel, and then we will put that block of wood underneath it, and then let it down, and then readjust the jack exactly whereabouts we want it. If you have a look now, when I take that wheel off, look how much is flopping about because the inner tie rod is broken. Right, so the wheel is now off, and it's definitely broke that inner tie rod. It's actually snapped here. Quite weird, actually.
It's probably it's hit a curb like that.
Right.
But you've got to check all these, check all this. I mean, from what I've seen of all these before, when they do move, you can normally get a bit of either rust movement or flaking all round all these, where the stress has been. But it don't look like it has, but what it has done, look. It's done the CV joint. Right. But as luck would have it,
we've got that one from the breaker car.
We've got that one in stock.
So we're going to undo the bottom bolt there on the bottom arm. Undo that, take the drive shaft out, and then also take this off as well. Right, so we was actually just about to go out and buy a new bottom arm for it and a new inner tie rod and track rod end just to be safe, but we've just took them off that breaker car, haven't we, over there? You guys see it in the background, but we had a look at that and somebody must have put them on it before it crashed. But we're going to put them on, chuck the drive shaft in. So as you guys know, I'm sponsored by a company called Vehicle Score. I've got my phone and we're going to do a vehicle score check right now on this car completely for free. So we'll type in our reg. HY62LNO. Click get score and it generates a code between 1 and 999. It's generated 827, which they say is an amazing score, so that's brilliant. It's got an 82% MOT pass rate. It's been viewed 3 times in the past 7 days. Give you the average score of models on that year. Give you the good bits, low overall mileage, last MOT had no comments. Mileage is between 30,000 and 50,000, and the bad bits, vehicle is over 10 years old. You guys know we can't really do much about that. Give you the vehicle details, the vehicle performance if you click tap. And remember guys, this is all completely for free. Completely for free. You don't have to pay for any of this whatsoever. Vehicle repair's got the new feature they've got on it is an AI mechanic. The estimates of what they think your vehicle's worth. MOT history breakdown. Honestly, I mean, for a free check, it does loads. And for all you guys who are buying a car, you need to be doing a vehicle score ultimate check because honestly, it's so easy to get caught out. Well, I say it every video, but you guys know that I've been caught out before, so if I can get caught out, then all of you guys at home can definitely get caught out. So the ultimate report, look at some of the things it covers. It covers the salvage check, a finance check, category vehicle check, an 8-point valuation check, £10,000 data insurance check. Honestly, it's one of the most comprehensive reports that you can find on the market, and all you've got to do is click it, click promo code, type in my code FS20, and it will take it from £11.97 all the way down to £9.58. £9.58, all that peace of mind. Why would you not do it? Why would you not do it, guys? And they do also offer other checks. So you've got an ultimate report, which isn't as comprehensive, but it is still very good. A salvage report. If you are buying a lot of cars from, say, Copart, or you want to do lots and lots of checks on lots and lots of different cars that you might be bidding on at auction, then the vehicle score salvage check is definitely the one you need to be doing as well. Again, use my code FS20, click add, £2.38. £2.38 to do that check. So if you guys aren't using that, then it's one of the best tools you can use. I don't know why you wouldn't be using it. But with that being said, there's going to be a link in my description box below. Click that link, it will take you straight to vehicle score. Use the code FS20 for 20% off. And let's get back to the video. Right, so all the suspension is now done. We've, well, you can see what we've done, but you guys might, well, I have recorded it all, but with that propped up there, all you can see is my back working really. So we have, there you go, we put the inner tyre rod on, the track rod in, that new bottom arm, well not new, but second hand new. We put the new drive shaft on it as well. Then we've just gone around it, had a look at it all, and it all looks fine. We've also, well, we've warmed up this bit of the wheel arch as well, and just pushed that back. But yeah, that all looks alright, but I think we have had a stroke of luck, because that alloy has to do a bit of a whack, and you can tell that it has got a little bow to it, don't it? Buckle, sorry. It's hard to tell really by on camera, but unbeknownst to us, on this breaker that we've had outside for about a year now, it has got the same alloy on it. So I'm going to chuck that on it, drag it off the truck, give it a wash, and it might be done by tonight. Right, so we've literally just pulled it off the truck and we're going to take it for a drive. We probably haven't picked the best time actually, because it is just about to hit rush hour. But we've got our clay plates in the window. Well, what's the driving like?
Well, so far all right.
So far all right. We've only just pulled onto the dual carriageway though, haven't we?
Yeah.
Is it driving straight?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to go and get it tracked regardless, because obviously we did have all that suspension off. That's quite straight actually, ain't it?
Yeah. It's following that truck all right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you might want to swap it for his car there, look.
What, his Golf R?
Yeah.
It's quite nice, ain't it?
It's nice, I can see myself in that.
Well,
you won't get insurance.
Right. I won't get insurance. I can see you in that.
I could. Look.
It's quite nice actually, ain't it? But, well, all driving alright, yeah?
Yeah. It's driving perfect.
Yeah.
Everything works.
Yeah.
So I've got half a tank of fuel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Half a tank of fuel. The alloy which we took off that black one that you would have just seen isn't the same. So well, I thought they were, but obviously the car was pushed up to the fence, so I couldn't really see it. But I'm now gonna have to go and find another one. Hopefully I can find one nearby and it ain't too far away. But I suppose that's been an extra job, ain't it?
Yep, get out and get one. Oh, here we are. Right, got the wheel. We went and got the wheel yesterday. The wheel was quite damaged. Got it from a breaker's yard. It was all scratched and scuffed and big chips out of it. So I've de-aged it this morning. Got it all ready and primed it and painted it and lacquered it. It's actually come out quite nice. All the scratches and all the chips are all gone out of it. So what I'll be doing later on is putting it back on the car and taking it for an MOT. Well, Eddie won't be taking it with me because Eddie's gone on holiday. He's left me here to do everything as usual. I'm not sure whether I should be going on holiday or Eddie should be going on holiday. But I'll let all you lot decide, and you can put it in the comments and vote who should be going on holiday next, me or Eddie. Thank you. Bye.
There is a couple things coming up at Copart 500, some courses. Fingers crossed we win them, and it'll make an even better holiday. I've literally just got back off of holiday, and Dad has completed the white one, haven't you?
Yes. Well, you've been away on the sunbed, getting a tan.
well, at least you've done something.
Yeah.
Do I look tan?
No.
No, don't look tan at all?
No, you don't look like you've been out of the sun at all.
Well, the day before I left, I went to my local broker's yard, picked up an alloy for it. I think I paid about 45 quid for it.
Yeah, you did.
So
yeah,
it weren't too bad at all, actually.
Yeah.
But it was very scratched, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was quite badly scratched.
We have put this tyre on the back because on the front there were two Michelin's, weren't they?
Yeah.
So we thought we'd pair them up together.
Be better.
Yeah, so, but the interior actually, I give it a good wash on the outside, you guys would have seen before I went away, but the interior is so clean. And when you consider it's a 12 plate, so it's what, 14 years old now? No, sorry, 12 years old. Maths is a bit off there, it's 12 years old now. But it's so clean, it is really so clean.
Even the seat along here where they normally really wear.
Yeah.
That's like, looks like it's just come out of manufacture still.
Yeah. And the back bench, well, it don't even look like anybody's even really sat on it, does it?
Now look at it.
Clean
as you like.
Yeah, it is honestly a really, really clean car, and obviously it's only got one previous owner as well, so for a 12-year car, that's exactly what you'd want. Right, so that's the end of another project.
Another one done, yep.
Another one done. There wasn't actually enough damage on the car really to even make it into a separate video, was there?
No.
So that's why we've repaired it all in this one episode. But yeah, we had the trailer, didn't we? We got the trailer, went to Newbury, and that trailer actually ended up being really good, didn't it?
Yeah, I was quite surprised actually. I might actually buy one of them little trailers because it's really handy, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean,
such easy work.
Yeah, I mean, we borrowed it off a friend, but I mean, if you had two cars, you needed to go. If you was looking for two cars on the same day, then that is definitely a good trailer to have, ain't it?
Yeah, because it wasn't too long either.
No, exactly. Yeah, one time we went to where did we go? This video is actually on the channel. We went to Sandtoft, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we was long. We was about I don't know. That was too long. That was, and it only had a Ford Fusion on it, didn't it?
Yeah.
It looked ridiculous. But you've put a year's MOT on it while I was away as well, didn't you?
Yeah, got a year's MOT on it. No advisories.
No.
And I mean, to be fair, you've done all the work really on this one.
Yeah, I mean, we changed the bottom arm on it, the inner tie rod, just to be safe really, because the bottom arm didn't look bent, did it? No. But we thought we'd change it anyway. But yeah, I mean, it drives perfectly in a straight line, don't it? We took it to be tracked as well. And yeah, even the bloke who's tracking it turned around and said it don't need changing a lot, does he? No. Does it? So, but yeah, this is going to be up for sale now. I'm going to put it up at 3,300. Now, you guys will have to let me know in the comments what you think of that price, but well, somebody that we know, a good friend of ours, has a forecourt, and he sold a 2011 one with 84,000 miles, with not any of the service history that this has got with it, for 3,300, didn't he? So you think for a year newer, more than half the mileage, half the owners, and with all that service history it's got as well, I think for the same price, obviously you're not buying it for forecourt, and it is a category N, but
Such minor damage.
It's such minor damage. Yeah, it's still beyond me, but like I say, I'm not complaining because we got to do it. And if one of you guys at home are interested in the car, then you need to give me an email at fixingsalvage@outlook.com. As soon as the video's live, the car will be for sale, and I will give you a call back in the order that they're coming from my emails. So make sure you're the first one, because I don't think that this one will be around for long, not with this mileage and not with all the paperwork we've got with it. Yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. If you're going to HPI a car, who should you use?
Vehicle Score. Vehicle
Score, yeah. And if you're going to purchase one of the reports, then what code have you got to use?
Still forgotten again.
FS20. FS20 at checkout for 20% off. But with that being said, we'll see you all in the next one.
There's only one other thing though.
What?
I'm just wondering, when do I get a better seat to sit on?
Well, what do you mean?
This
is smaller.
And you've got a nice stool.
Yeah, but if I sit on that and you sit on this, I'm going to be like up here and you're going to be all the way down there. What, the swap then? You sit on that one then?
I think you need, you can sit on there. I think you need to get me a better seat.
I think I'll be out of shot now, won't I?
Oh dear.
I think, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I suppose so.
End up looking like Cannon and Ball, I suppose, isn't it?
What's that?
You don't know what that is?
No. End up looking like what?
Cannon and ball.
What's that?
It's a programme used to be on the telly, wasn't it? One was smaller, one was higher. Was it Cannon and ball, or was it? Who was the other ones?
I don't know.
With the little fella and.
What are you, the little
Crankies,
fella then?
Crankies.
Crankies. I still don't
You
know.
still don't know, do you?
No.
You've got a lot to learn, haven't you?
What to do with old British TV shows
Well, yeah, and cars.
and cars.
Yeah. So with that.
With that, I'll see you all in the next one.